Hello everyone, this is the Budget Survivalist again. I know it's been a while since I made a video, but I want to go over a little bit of something. Everyday carry. Let's say the average American commute is about 25 to 30 minutes. Now, that's in a car doing 55 to 60 miles an hour. Let's just say something happened, and I'm not going to give you something unrealistic like the freaking zombie apocalypse. I'm going to give you something that can happen any day. It's not uncommon. Let's just say there's a tornado outbreak, which is something very common, especially if you're in the United States. And I'm going to give you a little bit of some things that you should do to be prepared for that. 3 things you should carry on your person every day. EDC, everyday carry. 1 should be a lighter or something to make fire. A lighter, matches, something. Number 2, some sort of a flashlight. Now this is just a little cheap dollar store flashlight. They're extremely bright though. You can buy those for like $1. And the 3rd thing, which would be a little bit more expensive, but it still is some sort of a blade. This here is a multi-tool. These you can get, I believe, for about anywhere from like $5 to $10. I mean, they have some a lot more expensive ones, but for just the run-of-the-mill everyday carry, something that you're not going to be afraid to lose, $5 to $10. And believe it or not, these 3 things can mean the difference between life or death in the right situation. Say your car broke down and you didn't have any cell service, so you had to walk 10 miles to the nearest gas station or something to make a phone call. Just anything, guys. I mean, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. There you go. Budget Survivalist out.